Hi everyone, I'm just going to make a real quick video on how to make it so that when you are sharing your screen with your students, you have the ability to still see them in a tile view on either a second monitor or an iPad. So it's very simple. When you go to share your screen, which is this button up here on the right, you're going to click share your screen. I'm going to share my whole desktop. When you do that, the video conference is now in this tiny little corner. You wouldn't be able to see your students. So you're actually going to open your Teams back up and just move them to a second monitor. So that way your screen sharing is here and your students are now on a second monitor, and you'll be able to monitor them and see what they're doing while still presenting as a screen share from your computer. If you're recording your meeting, this is a good way to make it so that there's anonymity with the students, because no one will be able to see their names. And if you have them all muted, they won't be able to hear them either. And if they ask questions, it'll be in the chat and you won't be able to see that. All you'll be able to see from the recording is your actual screen from your laptop. Now, if you are using an iPad to do this, if you don't have a second screen, then when you're in Teams, you'll see if you already signed in to Teams on your laptop, then you open Teams on your iPad and you're already in the meeting and you're signed in under the same account, you'll have this little black box with the meeting and you click on it. And so that way you can just use your iPad to monitor the meeting and you'll have the view tiled of all of the students. Right now I'm screen sharing, so that's why it looks the way that it does, because I forgot to unscreen share. So when you do it that way with your iPad, you'll have your students tiled on your iPad. You'll be able to see them and make sure that they're on task, and you're only sharing your screen on your laptop. That's it. All right.